Hi, hello friends, welcome to our channel. This is a score booster series where you will find important points for your MCQ questions. Today we are going to learn the difference between traditional approach and mechatronics approach. In a traditional approach, cam operated by a rocker arm mechanism controls the valve operation. We know what's the valve used for. Valve used for one line flow of the fluid. One line flow means there is no reverse flow, only forward flow. We'll be using this in our engine side. That's our IC engine. Cam is operated by rocker arm mechanisms controlled by valve operation. The rotation of cam is based on the crank rotation. Crank means the shortest arm in any mechanism, that is called as crank. In mechatronics approach means applications of mechatronics, that is mechanical, electrical, control engineering, IT. We are all combining all the engineering and producing a new branch called mechatronics. If that is traditional approach comes in a traditional way, that is we are following from our ancestral side, that is from 19th centuries, from the industrial evolution. From that age we are following, that comes in traditional approach. In mechatronics approach is nowadays new approach. Here if you are following mechatronics approach, the valve operation is controlled by signals received from the electronic unit. There there's no signals. The valve operation is operated by cam and follower mechanism, cam and rocker mechanism. The cam rotation of cam is based on crank rotation. Here the valve operation is controlled by signals received from electronic control unit. The timing of the valve operation is predetermined or pre-programmed in a microcontroller. You will be setting after 120 seconds the valve must open. You will be setting predefinedly in a mechatronics approach by using microcontrollers. The engine speed regulation, second point, the engine speed regulation is based on governor controlled throttle valve. Usually speed control is speed regulation is engine speed regulation is done by governors. If you are going for a school buses, there will be certain speed limit above which you can't raise the speed of the bus. They will be using this governor. The governor is controlled by throttle valve. If the speed increases about some range, the throttle valve will get some displacement, and then the governor is initiated to regulate the speed. In the case of traditional approach, in the case of mechatronics approach, the engine speed is regulation is based on the input signals from the speed sensor, temperature sensor, and MAF sensor. MAF means mass flow sensor, mass of air flow sensor, how much air are giving for the engine. Depending upon the air given, the speed will be increased. Okay, there will be three sensors called speed sensors, temperature sensors, and MAF sensors in an engine. Based on the signals given, the readings of these sensors, the microcontroller gives the instructions or signals to regulate the speed in case of mechatronics approach. Question number 3 is a spark timing. The spark timing, will be all having a spark plug in our engine to initiate spark. The spark timing of a spark plug is controlled by the ignition coil and distributor at a constant preset interval in case of traditional approach. In case of traditional approach, we will have a spark plug. That spark plug will be initiating spark every 4 cycles of the crank at some angle. We all know that angle is controlled by the ignition coil and the distributor. That spark is controlled by the ignition coil and the distributor. We will have every spark at some preset interval, that is every 4 rotations of the cam we will be having the spark. But in case of mechatronics, we will be setting some signals. The signals will be given from the microcontroller through a timing sequence program. The sequence will be already will be feeded in the microcontroller. Based upon that program, the time sequence program, microcontroller gives signals to the spark plug, gives signals to the ignition coil. The ignition coil will control the spark plug and the spark timing. This is our difference between traditional approach and mechatronics approach. So guys, I think you got a clear difference between clear ideas on traditional approach and mechatronics approach. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Share with your friends. Bye.